Have you guys ever wondered how to do O-rings underwater? Ever seen videos of scuba divers or free divers, trying to do O-rings from the bottom of the ocean? Well, today we're gonna show you exactly how to do that, and we're gonna show you how to do O-rings horizontally. Welcome back to another episode of the Salty Twins. My name's Tony. This is Ricky. And today we're going to show you guys exactly how to do O-rings. We free dive and spearfish all over the country and the world. Currently we're in Costa Rica. So we're going to show you guys different techniques on how to make O-rings from your mouth, from your hands.
He's throwing out a side belt. 3 on each side just to hold me down because I'm a little fluffy today.
A little fluffy.
And we're going to do some O-rings, and we're going to walk you through on how to do it.
Is that right, Kylie?
Yeah. Daddy's got to show me how to do some O-rings.
All you need to learn this is some water, a mask, a snorkel, and then if you have some weights, throw a weight belt on. Yeah.
Because it keeps you at the bottom.
So we're going to show you guys how to do it first. Then we're going to teach you the technique. There's a couple different techniques. One, he's going to show you without the tongue, and then I'll jump in the pool and show you exactly how to do it with the tongue.
Yeah. Here we go.
Okay, so the air that you're blowing out is just coming from your cheeks. Yeah, so I fill up my cheeks and then I push the air that's from my cheeks out. I don't breathe out, but if your mouth can be like an O, that's the whole goal, right? You don't want to go none of that, okay? That is what you don't want to do. Filling up your cheeks and leaving your mouth open like that, you don't want to do it. So you want to fill up your cheeks, make that O with your mouth, and then close your mouth immediately. When you close your mouth immediately, it stops the air from coming out of your mouth. That's going to push a certain amount of air out, and then you're closing any air coming out, and it's going to create that O, like this. I had no more air left. So that's exactly how you do it, baby.
It's now Tony. I'm going to show you guys a simple way to teach kids how to do it. It's with your tongue. So basically you stick your tongue out a little bit and you use pressure, just like Ricky was talking about, in your cheeks, and then you blow out, and by using your tongue, it blows the air around your tongue to create an O. You do that, you stick your tongue out and then bring it in, blow out, and you should be able to do it. Let's do it. So this is the third and final way to blow O's. You're not blowing them, but you're making them with your knuckles. Basically, you put your knuckles together and you pop it forward while separating your arms, and it creates these O's. We're not very good at it, but this is the third way on how to create O-rings.
Well, as you can tell, it started raining, and now we're wet. So that means we have to get out of the pool, unfortunately.
When it rains, you just don't want to get wet, so we got to get out.
Yep.
Hopefully you guys learned something in this video. Super simple, super easy. Impress your friends, impress your family.
Until next time,
Stay salty.
stay salty, and we're out.